parts. Abba. Ain't no self every so a comedy. Meeting any Reverend Doctor Mama Pass, what I say. The only Reverend Doctor Evangelist Mama Pass in Ghana. Obi any obi. Edeni so die. Eya what you say? Wa fama me kwa. Mantoment ya. Obi achemi. God has bless me with this name for you. But so I know I say the Bible didn't come. Who is there? The Bible didn't come. Kakra. So Basua no abomode na wa share na. I wanna even God. Mo ho etisan. Obasua na wa share video no. Na yenin komo and invite Nana Bangege as if priest come o Jemfi I want to say you be didn't come I could me pay more snapper because me relax come on it's me relax them I feel it hey me them say no na chese baby ewu amame Obaso na wa share mo to say mo fra abozege for the mame omuntina me wa ha the strong abozege I am here because of the strong abozege call them for me tell them that mama paita ba into omomra ni eni enkomo erade nsu nhram amode offering offering e de omo ye dan ya ebeje what you say Eyomo ya ekomone de wo mo no oya dan ya meje ohun se ewiase obi peso ekomode obi pa na ote wona obehun se obi yade bia edi nhire ebre no I will visit your church this Sunday. Matemesha wenim. God bless you so much. I will man TikTok for some fako. Hey, I to be sitting the busiamo. Where are you? Mo wa infa momra na yenin komo. Momra na yenin komo. Erade adoma Sunday. Sorry. I said today we will send. I said we that be yaje offering no every Sunday. I know the bonsamo pill on pill, ya beba beje. Fed ye. So me bet na social media so say for off me bra. Opa be catch them say me sika em fa me ho. Me nya e kra met me akogina street mu sika. Me fell you. Me be be sika be fra ba na ye bi mu kra me I don't give a damn. What am I saying? I don't give a damn for ade bia me ye this ka be bre me I don't give a damn. What am I saying? And you know every wow, ya me fun. Now we are butchery. Now went to me, I'm sorry. Hey, I thought that I'm a minute for teta. I'm a minute for. I went to me, I'm sorry. Mon share them invite. You okay? I went to me, I'm sorry, Biano. Obviously and definitely, and one I have made up my mind and have taken my decision that every Sunday I will come and take my offering. So I don't care who will talk about it and what they want. It's my choice. It's my life. And everybody knows that I'm not an angry person. You'll be accommodate. What must I say? Na ready ministry there. We need support. Ebene and nema will say video been nam viral. Omokasa about Elvis. Omokasa about Pastor Elvis. Ghana for Aje asofo ame. Asofo a mumfiri nyame ena mubo muse. Ghana baye no mpe sofo a okanyame asem. And the calling of God a preaching and prayer. The calling of God a preaching, prayer, and reading the Bible. This 3 things will give you the Holy Spirit. It is so phobia will bompire najo. Kenyame asem. Reading the Bible no. Ofrewurade. Obia nyame sunsun ti ni mu bia no. Ontimi Bible no ko ontimi nkan. Ada asofo egu Ghana ha. Omu mfiri nyame a omu tonton ne ma. Omu ko competition ni ne ma. Ada ye hu wo mo. Ade a wasofo a obu o wa ohyenkom obegyina kwese de okanyame asem owo okita 5 whole ministry ni nyina. Ana sa nipa no okasa ni obi da beka che o se nipa we nyame afre no. Atwa se enti no se na me brei wo de mo amofa me nya example. Na me brei amitimi akoya asori be wie na collection 1.5. What must say? Because afe na meba. Me kra me ba na kra me kra me send me sika support. Sa Jimmy fo na omoto wo say eno didi collection no. Adenti na yekodina asori dem na yekoche ska. Aya no de omo metina no omo meka. Sunday we high dime obi 15 million. What must say? Ka woni nyansa anya nibre ne komni Jimmy a. Ka obaba be ka collection ni nipa na je no. Ka first thing I have to say about it. I say nipa ni che will be 1,500 crow. Into say I didn't know what will be 1,500 no about what the collection. It shows to say onipa bia we nya medjuma bia you need money. Mose Pastor Elvis nyame akwa nyame difo nyame sofo Elvis alpha hour ye nyina yesole ahomache ebobi alpha hour ye nyina yesole ahomache bobi eno mfre obi ase obi ansole ena ne alpha hour ne nya de a wo free wo fie ne wakoni fie wana wo tu fie ne wafa wo phone wo internet a wo basubi ohun ani mumpo enti ye wo gidie Bible say ye di osi gidia na mo na ye tu gidia na mo na ye tu o di owo gidia meka me ho an ma ye mfro nkwa o prebebo no so ho na ni genius ye wo di okra ho dia meka na adwuman di opeba no so benya oba wi ye die na esi wanim no masofa o aya wo dia o masofa sofo Elvis say wi ye die na esi ho no be masofa and then na be fa wi ye die aya nyamesam aya prayer, reading the Bible and prayer. It's multi Ghana so for mo kanyame asam mo ye do saying. And then ye Ghana so for 200. Ejina hwa. One mo kanyame asam krojen. Ahwekwa ye nya 10. And me and you know what I'm saying. See I say ye penne Ghana so for I kanyame asam krojen ejina urade asam so bompaye. Eye nya mi dwuma ne de Bible na twi akra ma Kristo a. Me see ye nya 10. Omo ma ba nyina ye nkyeni efo nko a beto wei ebedru ba bi na o maka bom na o mo atu we betena se na o twa we egu we ba na o twa we egu we